back to my channel. So today I have a really exciting palette to show you guys. It is the Colourpop All I Can See Is Magic palette, and I'm really excited about this one because it is absolutely stunning. Not least of all is the packaging, which is this beautiful kind of light gradient blue with sparkling foil all across it. It is stunning, and inside the palette it's all kind of neutrals and teals, and I think a splash of purple as well, which is right up my alley. So if you're interested in the review, please keep on watching. Now, if you're interested to know how I did this eye look, please keep on watching to the end. I'm going to insert a little video of a how-to tutorials and all of the colours that I've used, so stay tuned right to the end. And now let's get started on the palette. Now, the palette itself is a massive one, so in contrast to all of Colourpop's other palettes, this one is actually filled with 15 eyeshadows in comparison to their 12 pan shadows. So they're all pressed and comes in a variety of finishes as well. So I can see that there are mattes and shimmers and definitely a duochrome in there, which I've used on my eyes today. And they're just beautiful, beautiful colours. I don't know if you can see, they're kind of all jewel tones. There we go, and they're just really stunning, and I really love the packaging as well. So as with all of my reviews, all of the details will be down below, including the pricing, and I'm gonna go through swatches with you as well. So let's get started with the formula first. So this is obviously their pressed shadow formula, very different to the Colourpop Super Shock shadows, but I think out of all the palettes that I've tried, these ones are actually really lovely. Not that the others aren't, but they're kind of a bit of a hit or miss. Sometimes the mattes are a little bit more difficult to work with. What I found with this palette is that all of the shadows are really pigmented, and they're really beautiful. So you get a nice range of matte shadows. You've got a kind of glittery duochrome, you've got lots of beautiful shimmers across, and some kind of darker metallic shades as well. So you get a really nice mix of different things, and you also have a couple of neutrals here and there to really tie in different looks together. So I found that it is really versatile if you're interested in a colourful palette that is a little bit not too out there. I think you can really use some of the colourful shades, especially the beautiful stunning teal brown that I've used. It's almost like a peacock coloured, and I used it in this look today, and it is stunning. It is absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to show you all of the swatches now. So those are all of the swatches. As I mentioned, they're really pigmented and a really good range of different colours and different formulas, so you wouldn't really have a problem kind of mixing and matching and doing different looks, which is really fantastic from a palette. And I just find it really wearable, really workable as well. I didn't have any issues with all of the colours, and the ones that I've tried on today are really stunning colours. So I can't tell you how happy I am with this palette. It is absolutely stunning. So if you want to know how I've actually done this look, I'm gonna insert it right here. And that's all for today. I hope you've enjoyed this really quick swatch video and review and try on as well. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments box down below. If you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button. I would love to show up in your newsfeed in the future. And if you like this video, please remember to click the like button as well. So I'll see you next time. Bye.